Hello and welcome you all. Today we will study new topic of our class 12th mathematics, which is determinant. Student, this is an introduction video where you will learn about how to find the determinant of 3 by 3 order and 2 by 2 order square matrix. So as per the definition of determinant, it says that every square matrix can be associated to a unique number. The number can be real or complex, and this number is called the determinant of the square matrix. It is denoted by, as you can see, determinant of A. And student, don't confuse it with modulus. Both are different. Let's say a square matrix A equal to A11, A12, A21, A22. Then its determinant is the difference of the multiplication of A11 with A22 and A12 with A21 element. So determinant of A is A11, A22 minus A12, A21. So by this way, we will find the determinant of 2 by 2 order square matrix. Now let's say a matrix A equal to A, B, C, D. Then its determinant is C. When we multiply A11 element with A22 element, so A into D, and then minus A12 element into A21 element, so B into C. So our final answer is AD minus BC. Now our first question for today is that we have to evaluate 1 log A to the base B, log B to the base A, and 1. So we have to find the determinant. Now, as we know that when we multiply A11 by A22 element, we get 1 into 1 is 1, and then minus A12 element, which is log A to the base B into log B to the base A. And since by the property of log, we can say that log B to the base A equal to 1 upon log A to the base B. So using it, I can write 1 minus log A to the base B into 1 upon log A to the base B. So from here, log A to the base B will cancel out and we get 1 minus 1 equal to 0. And now we will study the determinant of a square matrix of order 3. So to understand this, let's say a matrix A equal to 3 minus 2, 4, 1, 2, 1, 0, 1, minus 1. And now to find its determinant, we have many ways, whether to expand it along row R1, row R2, row R3, or we will expand it along column C1, column C2, or column C3. As this is our choice, student, our determinant will always be same. So here I am expanding it with along R1. So first take A11 element, which is 3, and now hide row 1 and column 1 elements completely, and then find the determinant of the remaining elements. Then after that take A12 element, which is minus 2. And now student, listen and watch very carefully. As you can see that before minus 3 I have written minus 1 whole square. Before minus 2 I have written minus 1 to the power 3. So what does it mean? See, when you take A11 element, which is 3. So here A11 means that when you add 1 plus 1, you get 2, which is even. And when you take A12 element and add 1 plus 2, you get 3, which is odd. So when sum is even, you take the coefficient positive, and when sum is odd, then you take it negative. And now come back to our question. So to find its determinant, first take A11 element, which is 3. And then hide row 1 and column 1 elements completely and find the determinant of the remaining elements. And as I have told you right now that A11 means when we add 1 plus 1 we get 2, which means it is even. So we will take coefficient of 3 is positive, and then we will take A12 element, which is minus 2. And as you know that A12, in which when we add 1 plus 2 we get 3, which is odd. So here we will take minus 1 to the power 3, and now we will hide first row and second column completely and find the determinant of the remaining elements, which are 1, 1, 0, minus 1. And now we will take A13 element, which is 4. So A13 means 1 plus 3, which is 4. So 4 means even, means we will take the coefficient of 4 positive. And now we will hide R1 row and third column completely and find the determinant of the remaining elements, which are 1, 2, 0, 1. And now on solving it, we get 3 into, and determinant of 2, 1, 1, minus 1 is minus 2, minus 1. Plus, and minus 1 to the power odd is always negative, so minus into minus is plus. So plus 2 into, again determinant of 1, 1, 0, minus 1, which is minus 1 minus 0, and then plus 4, and again determinant of 1, 2, 0, 1, which is 1 minus 0. So on solving it, we get minus 9 minus 2 plus 4, which is equal to minus 7. So this is the determinant of a given square matrix of 3 by 3 order. Now come to second question, which is A is equal to 2, 3, minus 2, 1, 2, 3, minus 2, 1, minus 3. Now here student, I am expanding it along C1 to find our determinant. So when we expand along column C1, so first we will take A11 element. Now, as I have told you that A11 means 1 plus 1, which is 2. So 2 means even. Therefore, coefficient of 2 is positive. And now hide first row and first column completely and find the determinant of the remaining elements, which are minus 3 into 2, minus 6, and then minus 3 into 1, 3. And then after that, we will take A21 element, which is 1. And as you know that A21 means 2 plus 1, which is 3. So 3 means odd. So here we will take the coefficient of 1, which is negative. Now we will hide row 2 and column 1 completely and find the determinant of the remaining elements. So we get minus 3 into 3. So minus 9, and then minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. So minus into minus is plus 2. And then we will write A31 element, which is minus 2. And we know that A31 means 3 plus 1, which is 4. So 4 means even. So here we will take coefficient of minus 2, which is positive. And now hide row 3 and column 1 elements completely and find the determinant of 3, minus 2, 2 and 3. So 3 3s are 9 and minus of minus 2 into 2, which means plus 4. So on solving it, we get 2 into minus 9, minus 1 into minus 7, minus 2 into plus 13. So on solving it, we get minus 37, which is our determinant. And now solve the question mentioned on your screen and share me the solution. So this is the end of this video. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead.